we're asked to calculate the final temperature of a piece of iron after we add some heat. Okay, so we're given the initial temperature. We can calculate delta T using this equation and finally determine TF. All right, we're doing a heat problem involving a temperature change. So the heat is equal to mass times specific heat times delta T. Delta T is therefore heat divided by mass and specific heat. We go to our equation sheet to look up the heat capacity for iron, and we see there's two different values. We want to use the value that is consistent with the units in the problem, which in this case is calories. So we go through, we solve for delta T, but we're not done. We're asked for the final temperature, so we have to add delta T to Ti. So we add Ti to delta T to get our final temperature. When we look at our sig figs, we note we can only go to the ones place. Here we can go out to the tenths, but our initial temperature is only good to the ones place, so we stop there.